We'll guide you through how to make charcoal in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Charcoal can be used to go and make torches, and it can also be used as a fuel as well. So let's go and get started. What we're going to need is some logs. So one piece of log is going to go make you one piece of charcoal. What we can do is go and get two just for this example. What we're going to need is a furnace. You can go and make a furnace by putting 8 pieces of cobblestone in a crafting table. Make it and right click in it. Then what we can do is go and put the logs in the furnace. You are going to need some fuel for the furnace. I've just got planks, but you could also go and use a log in order to do that. And then it's going to go and be cooked, and you're going to end up with charcoal. As you can see, there it is. And you can then use it for what you want to. As I said, that could be to go and cook and smelt and do other things with it, or it could be to go and make torches. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Goodbye for now, have a great day.